Hi, I'm Lucy from Sew Essential and I'm here today to talk to you about the 3 best overlockers of 2025, whether you're looking for an entry budget level machine, a mid-range machine, or you're ready to splash out and buy something extra special. So if you're somebody who needs to keep spending to a minimum, but you want a good all-round reliable overlocker that can do the basics well and give you the opportunity to grow your sewing skills, I would highly recommend the Brother 2104D. It has an easy looper threading system, so the lower looper drops down and is more accessible than on some of the other models. It also has the option for 3 or 4 overlocking thread stitches and a rolled hem. It's got a free arm, which I think is a really nice feature because it means you can slide a sleeve or a trouser leg over the end of the machine for when you're sewing, so you haven't got the worry of catching that bottom layer of fabric. It's got a knife and it's got a differential feed as well, so that you can adjust that to prevent your fabric going wavy or to create gathers. And on that note, it also comes with 3 feet included. So you get the standard presser foot, but in addition to that, you get 3 extra feet, a gathering foot, a piping foot, and a blind hem foot, so you can really start to stretch those sewing skills. If you want to learn more about this machine, check out the link in the description below where you'll find an in-depth review video on our website, and you can also purchase the machine there. Now, if you're looking for something even easier to thread with more features and you can afford to make a good step up in the budget, I would highly recommend the Brother Airflow 3000. This overlocker threads the loopers at the touch of a button. So you pop some thread into the threading ports, press an electronic push button, and it sucks the thread through for you and threads the loopers in an instant. It is so easy. Not only that, there's also the Brother Advanced Needle Threader on this model, which I just find to be so robust and reliable. It swings round in front of the needles and pushes the thread through the eye of the needle rather than trying to grab it from the back, and I just always find that style of needle threader to be really reliable and easy to use. It has easy rolled hem conversion, so on the models lower down the range you have to actually remove a stitch finger to create a rolled hem, which is a little decorative stitch that just rolls the thread around the edge of the fabric. On the Brother Airflow 3000, it's just a simple sliding dial that you use and it does it all for you. You could have the option to sew with 2, 3 or 4 threads, so you've got even more options for different stitch combinations there. And it also comes with a trim trap to collect all your bits that you trim off with the blade and the knife. It's obviously still got your differential feed and all those other features you would expect from an overlocker, and it also comes with those extra 3 feet as well, the piping foot, the gathering foot and the blind hem foot, so that you can really start to stretch those sewing skills. If you want to learn more about this machine, check out the link in the description. You'll find an in-depth review video on our website and you can also purchase it there. Now, if you're looking for a real dream machine and you want the ability to be able to sew a cover stitch as well, my top recommendation would be the gorgeous baby lock that I've recently upgraded to, the Aspire. It was launched in July 2025 and it is an absolute dream of a machine. So the baby lock, overlocker and cover stitch machines are generally exceptional quality. They have automatic thread tension, they have air threading loopers. This one is an electronic touch button as well. You don't have to worry about adjusting tension dials on the baby lock machines apart from the very entry level one, but the Aspire has the automatic thread tension, so I just find that to be a dream. I can go from sewing a piece of denim to sewing a piece of jersey and I don't have to adjust anything. I can sew with up to 8 threads on the Aspire, so I've got so many options to get really creative, but also some incredibly useful construction stitches as well. So I can do a 5 thread safety stitch, which is used in industry and creates a seam and finishes the seam allowances at the same time. It's extra strong and it gives me a perfect 5/8 seam allowance as well, so that's a great one for garment construction. It's got a knee lift so that you can keep both hands on the fabric and raise and lower the foot if you want to, and it also comes with a trim trap for catching the bits that you trim off as you sew as well. Plus it does the overlocking stitch and the cover stitch. So for anyone who doesn't know, a cover stitch is predominantly used to hem knit and jersey garments, and it will give you 2 or 3 beautiful parallel lines of straight stitches on one side of the fabric and then a lovely decorative overlocker style stitch on the other side of the fabric, but it will just handle the fabric so much better than your sewing machine would. It will give you much better results. There won't be any tunnelling. It's lovely and smooth and flat, and you can use that stitch on the one side of the fabric as a decorative stitch on the right side of your garment if you want to. So it just ups your game completely and gives you the opportunity to create incredibly professional looking garments. If you'd like to know more about this machine, check out the link in the description. You can watch an in-depth review video on our website and purchase it there. So I hope you've enjoyed that today and you're feeling a bit more confident about the sort of overlocker you might want to go for. But if you've got any questions, you need any advice or support at all, don't hesitate to contact us. We're always so happy to help, and we know so much about these machines. We can quickly and easily help you narrow down your options based on your budget and your sewing needs to find the perfect machine for you. All of our machines come with a full manufacturer's warranty, so in the unlikely event that you have an issue, don't hesitate to get in contact. More often than not, we can resolve any issues over the phone, but if that's not the case, we'll collect the machine and do everything for you. We offer the best prices, but if you do see any of these overlockers cheaper anywhere else, don't hesitate to get in contact and we'll be very happy to help. All of our machines are delivered the next working day free of charge by courier with a dedicated time slot, so you know exactly when that happy post is going to arrive. I hope you're feeling excited about your new overlocker, and thanks for watching.